This is a 2011 BMW 328. This car has an automatic transmission and a 3.0-liter inline six-cylinder engine. Its top features include a sports suspension, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, high-intensity headlights, aluminum wheels, and adaptive brake lights. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, heated side view mirrors, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, performance tires, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, a rear window defroster, and this vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. This BMW has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.